Deputy Nursing Superintendent of PMS field. It was really stressful. She started with strengthening ourselves, like physically. Morning session was, as we all know, since we are nurses, we know the concept of physically fit, but we don't follow exactly what we know. But today we are boosted by different kind of activities which we went on through by adding up our terrace walking and our diet, how to boost up ourselves. Morning, though we know we could not able to do, we have taken a decision, means on behalf of everybody, we have taken a decision that we will fix the time for us, that means ourselves. That we learned in the morning session. But evening it was wonderful. After having a heavy lunch or mild lunch, we were able to burn out, and it was wonderful event. We did well, and the different modalities were used. By then we learned a different thing. It was not like morning session. We know little in the morning, but afternoon session was a different one. We were tied up for her, and I would like to thank her specifically because she was fully energetic, and it seems that we were not sleeping. In all the meeting we could able to see someone because of all our tiredness and physical activities. We were not sleeping. We could give a mark till we can give it how many? 10. It was nice. I would like to thank the management and nursing superintendent and behind people who worked for this. Thank you.
Hi, good evening all.
Tell your name.
I am Suresh. I am Suresh Gilbert. Really, this is a stress-busting session we had the whole day. When we are coming here, we thought like it's like a teaching program, a training program, but it involved us very much throughout the day, and you are very energetic on the whole day, and that energy passed to us also. And we learned, the points we learned here is the main thing is reticular activating system, how to improve that. I learned first time in this session. And next is how to strengthen ourselves by physically, mentally and emotionally. Those things we learned. And first thing, and othermost thing, next thing I learned is how to avoid to use the word try. Because many times, unknowingly it comes like, okay, I'll try. Surely I'll try. Like that, the try in the words always keep coming around. So next, from this session, I'll try to avoid saying try. Stop avoiding trying. Thank you for correcting it. And the mind power, how to improve the mind power, and affirmations, what we should have. Which will build up a positivity in us, should be created, and how to keep our emotion and mind strong. And the next thing is the NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Program, that is new to us, and we had a very good outline about that you explained. And how to use the NLP with our patients, which are dealing daily. It's our career, our routine, and it was very useful to us, ma'am. And the steps to calm down a patient, shouting patient, and all we tried. It was very useful for us. And thank you so much for coming. And I thank our management and our nursing superintendent for arranging this wonderful session for us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. At PIMS. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Dr. Purni, because it was just an instant thing which all this got fixed. We were just talking about NLP. Mrs. Punitha is not here, so I am not able to acknowledge her initiative in this. While talking to her casually only, she was telling about NLP. I could understand the terms, but I was thinking, what is this neuro and linguistic? Anyway, brain can talk and do everything. But activities like this, maybe we had a different sort of training programs or in different situations. So I was very much interested so that all our people could be benefited, because COVID was a very great stress among each and every one of us. And the way we just took her to, we asked her for an appointment, she came on the second day. We took her to MS and he started moving on with all the process, and he fixed it instantly, and she never said no. She has programs international level and all other levels, but it was she readily accepted when he said, okay, the Friday we'll have it, because from next week onwards PG exam starts. So it was very kind of you. I am I'm grateful to God for this good opportunity which each one of us got through you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Was your stress busted?
To a certain extent, I wish we could have sessions continuing, because not all that could not be covered in one day.
Very true.
We were still confined to groups only. We could not come out of ourselves fully.
Yeah.
So I think we need some more sessions.
Definitely we will have.
If God willing and other logistics are okay, then we will contact her. Sure, and we were talking. Immediately MS fixed for the medical faculty and interns. Then I was thinking, okay, at least people are learning things from us. Like how to have some other training for their brains and for better work. For that also, I think the credit goes to how she presented herself the other day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Mrs. Kalaivani. I'm a senior deputy nursing superintendent here, everybody knows. This program was wonderful. It was, as everyone said, everybody came in with a lot of stress. And today it was full of energy, and everyone had real times, away from the workplace, and stress bursting session that from morning till evening. So I'm sure everybody has enjoyed this program, and also I would like to extend on behalf of everyone thanks to Dr. Purni. Please give her a big round of applause. And Mr. Sivadar coach, he was also very helpful and he was and at last I would like to thank our nursing superintendent who had taken this initiative, and he was the one who understood the stress among us and how everyone was under the stress during this COVID period, and so she thought about it, she spoke to the management, and management also kind enough to arrange this session. And thank you each and everyone who participated and who made this day as a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.